Drishya. The body is objectified. He does not, even if he has the pain in the body, he does not feel the pain. As they say in the case of Ramana Maharshi, he had the cancer of the arm, and Dr. Ramurthy, who performed the operation, neurologist, neurosurgeon, so when he performed the operation, Ramana Maharshi refused to take anesthesia. They said, at least local anesthesia. He said, no, it's not necessary, you perform the operation. So actually they performed the operation, which lasted for 25 minutes. And he was all the while awake, conscious. And he only said, the arm is not mine. It's happening somewhere. So why should I be bothered about it? This is Shariranchapi Drashyatam. The body for him belonged to the outside world. It did not belong to him. So this is the insight, the intuition that he had. Drishyam Shariratameti, Shariranchapi Drishyam. So this is Drishyam Shariram.
You think some of the tantric practices, they might have thought that this could be cultivated and the experience obtained, where the body can be really objectified? Or not really?
No, it might be because Aldous Huxley, he has written that doors of perception. Doors of perception, where mescaline did the psychedelic trick on him. So there he reports that when he saw something which went out of its normal color and contour, it became oppressive, it became aggressive. Say for example, under the influence of mescaline, the red of the rose, it became blood red, the red became all too dominant, and the color got dismembered from the flower, and the color rushed towards him. So it is then that he dissociated himself from the actual perceptive world. It was the drug effect in him that brought about this. So he points out there, by the same technique, you could also reduce the frightful or the anxious, anxiety-producing situations in the outside world. You can dissociate your body and your psychophysical system from the world, from the input of the world outside. So this has been reported under hashish and several psychedelic drugs. So likewise, the tantric Ramarasa and Bhang and things of that sort may have done a similar, we don't know. And what's that? Tantra Sara. In Bengal, Tantra Sara is a very widely employed text among the tantrics. And this Tantra Sara mentions a particular level, step in yoga, where the individual is oblivious of the pain in self-mortification. He cuts his own hand, for example, and does not feel the pain. He does not even recognize that it is his hand. So this kind of dissociation, this disorientation, that has been reported in tantric texts. But how they did it, and we don't know. But that it is possible is proved by the neurological experiments.
I think I'll give you that one page, I'll photocopy it in the scientific thing I was reading. Very recently, in a couple of months back in Sweden, an epileptic patient, a lady, was being treated. And exactly as you said, they made a mistake. And very near the ear, they've given the exact part of the brain, which doesn't occur to me now. It was touched by a probe. And then this lady had an out-of-body experience. She could see herself lying down.
OBE.
Out-of-body, yeah, OBE. I will get this cutting for you. I mean, because you don't know the brain thing. It's not the amygdala, I know that much. It is some other part which is near the ear.
In the phantoms in the brain, he also mentions the God experience of several levels.
Yes.
And curiously enough, that Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was an epileptic.
I always thought about Ramakrishna while I was reading the book.
Chaitanya was an epileptic. And then Jesus was an epileptic.
That's what we are told. I'm not sure.
Saint Francis of Assisi was supposed to be
an epileptic. 100%.
That Ramakrishna was has been...
It is very well done. And recorded actually by a lot of other people. Chaitanya also has been recorded.
Krishna Chaitanya, yes. So this book is fascinating.
Absolutely fascinating.
Phantoms.
And he writes with such humility.
Such humility. How can you say... and you also ask the question, how can you treat this person and deprive him of his God experience?
Very nice.
What right has a physician to treat such people and bring them back to normal? Very, very well written.
Very well written. Somebody told me and I immediately bought the book, and it was one of the most pleasurable readings I had.
He has written another book which I have not got, on consciousness. Mind consciousness.
I can easily, I'll check that. We have this Amazon book thing now. We can check up any written by anybody. Computer can do a search, Google search. Any book written by that man.
He is very... So what you said rightly is his humility. He does not put on the airs of a...
I really enjoyed reading.
And also corrects the various Descartesian premises of reductionist analysis.
That has been conclusively proved now. That has got its own limitations. But that time it was all right.
So this is a very interesting...
Very interesting. I think next time we will pursue this also.
Yes.
So we meet next Wednesday, sir?
Next Wednesday... Yes, next Wednesday.
The Sunrise